Hello everyone, and welcome to my new YouTube channel called Lego Builder Logan. Today we are going to be making this little stick figure. It's black and yellow. So get out your Legos and get ready. Alright, once you've got your Legos, then you're going to build the body first. So, I'm going to take two 3-dot black squares, and you're going to put them side by side. Then you're going to take three 2-dot black squares. You're going to put them one on top of another, so it's like this on top of these 3-dot squares. Got this bar. Then you're gonna take two little 2-dot rectangles, and you're gonna put them on the sides of these. So then it's like this. Then you're gonna take one of these 4-dot rectangles, slap it on so it makes a bigger bar. Then we got two more 3-dot squares. Gonna put those on top of that. Looks like this. And then you're gonna take a final 4-dot rectangle and put it right in the middle. And there you go. It's like, that's his shirt slash body. Ta-da! Alright, after this break, we will be getting the arms. Alright, after that quick break, then you can get all your Lego pieces. Alright, we're gonna start out with these two little Lego hands. Gonna set them down here. And we're gonna take two black pieces, stick them to the hands. So stick them like this. So they're opposite each other. So they are the opposite directions instead of like this. Alright, then you're gonna take two more black squares and you're gonna stick them on here. So it keeps building up like a staircase. Now, I'm going to put these last two black squares on top of that. And then we've got two little staircase arms. Also, they kind of look like feet. Alright. Then you're gonna take the body that we built in the last step. You're gonna stick the arms onto it like this. Ta-da! Now, when we come back after this quick break, then we're gonna build the legs. Alright, quick break over. Time to build the legs. So first you're gonna take the feet, which is just two 3-dot squares. And you're gonna take two dot squares and you're gonna stick them onto the feet. So it looks like this. Or a better reference is this. Then you're gonna take two more two dot squares, stick them on top of that. And there you have it, the legs. Then we're gonna take this body piece that we made. We're gonna stick legs onto there. Then, after this break, we'll make the part that's missing, the head. Alright, short and quick breaks throughout this entire video. Wow, finally on the last step. So you're gonna take this little two dot yellow square. You're gonna stick it on for his neck. And then you're gonna take two of these 4 dot rectangles that are yellow. You're gonna stick them onto there. Make the face. Now, final step. Gonna take one of these 4 dot black squares for the hair. And there you have it. The black guy. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!